If you had a bad day and you're feeling shitty, you gotta get yourself a cabinet kitty.
Grandpa is so proud of him.
Come here. Come on. Harry, come on. Oh, good girl. Come on, you can do it. Yes, ma'am.
Trapped in a clear, crinkly prison.
I know. I'm getting your food, Gus. That's nice. Okay, I'll get your food.
He makes his own hydration rules. He is practicing his cute moves.
Why? Why? What?
A perfect leap of faith.
Take it aside. That's our cat now. It's Halloween. Take it aside.
Trying to escape.
He just got a cat now. Look at him. He just found us what is it? What do they call it? The cat giving system?
That's a big, scary cousin. This barn is officially occupied.
Aww. I just seen this cat in the ditch. Come here, baby. Oh, no.
He found the emergency off switch.
You gotta be joking. Doobie climbed all the way up there, slid in this little tiny thing, and I was stuck. And he's mad, apparently.
The perfect escape plan. Why is he so angry?
Guys, I'm way too high and I looked at my cat and she's just being funny. Like, are you protecting the pizza? Like, I feel like she'd be like, hey, just chilling and having the pizza in.
The staff barely survived this one.
Hey! Hey! Are you happy now?
His collar tells a sad story.
So I have a couple professionals looking at my car right now. I tried to ask them questions, but they weren't really on the talkative side. I'm hoping they can fix it without any issues. So far, they don't seem like they're too promising. They don't look like they know what they're doing.
Cat always wins the fight.
You've never seen a cat with a mustache like this. Come on. Really? And he's gay? Ooh!
A casual parkour session.
Oh no. We got gremlins. Bad kitty cats. Bad kitty cats.
What are you doing?
Oh no, you're stuck in the screen. Hello? Oh no. Oh, what have I done? Oh god. Oh, I gotta call my dad.
That's the end of this video. I truly hope you had a great time, and I'll see you again soon.